If you crave the delicious, crispy goodness of KFC-style chicken, here's a quick recipe to satisfy your taste buds. The ingredient list is straightforward and uses items commonly found in most kitchens. For this recipe, you will need 1. Chicken drumsticks or thighs, 8 pieces, skin on for that crispy outer layer. 2. Buttermilk, 2 cups, essential for marinating the chicken and adding tenderness. 3. All-purpose flour, 2 cups, to create the classic breading. 4. Cornstarch, half a cup, adds extra crispness to the coating. 5. Salt, 1 tablespoon, to season the flour mixture. 6. Paprika, 1 tablespoon, adds flavor and a hint of smokiness. 7. Garlic powder, 2 teaspoons, for that savory note. 8. Onion powder, 2 teaspoons, enhances the overall taste. 9. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon, for a mild kick. 10. Oregano, 1 teaspoon, provides a subtle earthy flavor. 11. Basil, 1 teaspoon, adds a hint of sweetness. 12. White pepper, 1/2 teaspoon, to complement the black pepper. 13. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon, helps in achieving that airy, crispy texture. Cooking a delicious meal doesn't have to be complicated. With just 4 simple ingredients, you can create a crispy, mouth-watering chicken dish that's sure to impress. The magic of this recipe lies in its simplicity, allowing the natural flavors of the chicken to shine through. Here's how you can make it. First, gather your ingredients: chicken thighs or breasts, olive oil, salt, and breadcrumbs. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Start by patting your chicken pieces dry with a paper towel. This helps the skin become crispier. Next, rub the chicken all over with olive oil. This not only helps the breadcrumbs stick, but also ensures that each piece is flavorful and moist. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt over the chicken to enhance its taste. Then, coat each piece of chicken with breadcrumbs, pressing them lightly to ensure they adhere properly. Now, place the breaded chicken pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a baking mat, leaving space between each piece to ensure even cooking. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the chicken is golden brown and crispy on the outside. To ensure the chicken is cooked through, you can check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove the chicken from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute within the meat, making it even more succulent. Enjoy your crispy 4-ingredient chicken with a side of your choice, such as a fresh salad or roasted vegetables. This simple recipe is perfect for busy weeknights, but delicious enough to serve to guests. With minimal effort and maximum flavor, this crispy chicken is sure to become a favorite in your household. Whipping up a delicious and nutritious meal doesn't have to be complicated, especially when you have limited time and a few staple ingredients. This crispy 4-ingredient high-protein meal prep recipe is designed to keep you satisfied, energized, and on track with your fitness goals. The simplicity of the ingredients allows you to focus on quality and flavor, turning meal prep into a quick and enjoyable task. Ingredients: 1. Chicken breast. Lean and protein-packed, chicken breast serves as the foundation of this meal. It provides the necessary protein to help build and repair muscles. 2. Sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are rich in vitamins and fiber. They offer a hint of sweetness and a satisfying texture, balancing out the flavors perfectly. 3. Olive oil, a healthy fat that adds a delightful crispiness to the chicken and sweet potatoes, while also offering a host of health benefits, including improved heart health. 4. Broccoli. This green powerhouse is full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making it a perfect complement to the other ingredients. Directions. 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit 220 degrees Celsius. 2. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces and sweet potatoes into small cubes. 3. In a large mixing bowl, toss the chicken and sweet potatoes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, ensuring they are evenly coated. 4. Spread the chicken and sweet potatoes on a baking sheet in a single layer. 5. Roast in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. 6. While the chicken and sweet potatoes are roasting, steam the broccoli until it's tender but still vibrant green, about 5 to 7 minutes. 7. After 20 minutes, remove the baking sheet from the oven, flip the chicken and sweet potatoes, and roast for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and the sweet potatoes are crispy. 8. Once everything is cooked, portion the chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli into meal prep containers. This meal prep solution ensures you have a delicious, balanced, and protein-rich meal ready to go throughout the week, saving you time and helping you stay consistent with your nutrition goals. Enjoy the blend of savory and sweet flavors and take pride in knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients. When it comes to quick, high-protein meals, a 4-ingredient chicken recipe stands out as both simple and delicious. The star ingredients are chicken breast, Greek yogurt, garlic, and lemon. At the heart of the dish is the chicken breast, known for being a lean source of protein. Start by marinating the chicken in Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt not only tenderizes the meat, but also adds a creamy texture. Mix the yogurt with minced garlic and freshly squeezed lemon juice, which infuses the chicken with a burst of flavor and helps to keep it moist. Place the marinated chicken in a baking dish and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and has a slight golden brown crust. The end result is a succulent, protein-packed meal that is easy to prepare and perfect for any time of the day. This dish pairs well with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, making it a balanced and nutritious option for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet.